everyone, welcome back to IULI's Hotel and Tourism channel. My name is Arielle Kalinda and I'm from International Relations Batch 2019. And in today's video, I will be sharing with you guys unique Balinese traditional foods for the purpose of Indonesian and food tourism final exam. Just like many things in Indonesia, the food is as diverse as it gets. Every ethnicity in the country holds unique recipes specific to their culture. And in Indonesia, one dish can have dozens of versions across localities because of the diversity itself. The food culture of Indonesia, it is shaped by several factors such as nature, cultural, historical, geographical aspect, and also the method of cooking. Its enormous geographic and cultural diversity across the archipelagos, it is evident that Indonesian cuisine is rich in variety and also taste. And promoting Indonesian culinary tourism should not be merely exposing the varieties of the traditional food that Indonesia has, but more importantly, telling the market about the socio-cultural values behind the food itself. And the traditional food that I would like to share today is Balinese food. The first one is a main course called Blajak, and the other one is a light traditional snack called Bendu.
Talking about Balinese cuisine, maybe the first thing that comes to mind is ayam betutu or nasi campur. In fact, there are still a variety of other dishes from various regions in the province of Bali that are also worth tasting, and one of them is Blajak. Blajak is a lontong wrapped in coconut leaves because of the geographical condition of North Bali, which is rather dry and has beaches, and it causes coconut trees to dominate. The leaves used as a wrapper are also not ordinary leaves. The leaves are young leaves because it creates a more delicious Blajak taste. In addition, the young leaves also provide convenience in the packaging process. While waiting for the Blajak to be cooked, mix the ingredients including onion, garlic, chili, coriander, turmeric, galangal, roasted hazelnut, and shrimp paste in the blender and then cook it in the pan with low heat. Then slowly add the grated coconut and salt for better taste. Blajak is a typical dish from Buleleng, a regency of Bali in the town of Singaraja. Blajak is usually served on holidays such as Galungan and Kuningan as offerings. The most important secret in making Blajak is that the spices must be complete for the spices to seep into the chicken. The kampung chicken meat is also better to use because it is more legit and delicious. All the spices used for the Blajak seasoning are first grilled over the coals. After that, the ingredients for the seasoning are just pulverized and mixed with rice flour until it becomes a thick, spice-scented condiment. Blajak is usually served with serundeng, shredded chicken, bean sprouts or lawar, chili sauce, lots of peanut, and then doused with a coconut milk similar to curry sauce and sprinkled with fried soybeans. The taste really varies from savory, light sweet, and spicy, which is very distinctive. Some people also add boiled eggs and bawang goreng to complete the taste of the Blajak itself. The advantages that made Blajak unique is because it is combined with various types of menus, namely rice cooked using the traditional kukusan or bamboo worms, which brings out the culture of the Balinese itself so that it adds to the taste of the rice. Also, additional menu of side dishes and vegetables mixed with Balinese spices is as typical of the Buleleng area of Bali. Buleleng culinary specialties have become a brand for the rise of micro, small, and medium enterprises. In the midst of the rise contemporary food and drinks, traditional Buleleng culinary delights are still in demand by many people, including locals and also tourists, and one of which is Blajak, which has also been recognized as a special food of Buleleng. After discussing about a main course, I will now share about a traditional snack also from Bali called Jejabandu. Jejabandu is a traditional jembrana cake, a regency in the southwest of Bali. In Balinese, jeje means traditional snacks. Jejabandu has become a lot of people's favorite, and it is also always on various Balinese cultural occasions such as religious festivals, various ceremonies, and even to official events in the government agencies. Bendu is also often used as a souvenir for tourists that visited Bali. What makes Jejabandu unique is because it uses a mixture of hibiscus leaf water. Jejabandu is made from glutinous rice flour filled with mixture of grated coconut and Balinese sugar, or commonly called unti. Making Jejabandu is very easy. The glutinous rice flour is mixed with grated coconuts, water, and hibiscus leaves, and also salt to have a better taste. Then it will be baked or roasted using a special dough. How to make this dough is also use a special technique for the layer to be very thin. Then, inside the Jejabandu, it will be filled in with the sweet unti from the coconut. The technique is to roll the bandu that is filled with the unti until it looks like an omelette. Then it will use banana leaf to wrap the Jejabandu for it to remain dry and not soggy. Other than that, the aroma of the banana leaves itself makes the Jejabandu taste more delicious. In general, Jejabandu is white, but now it has grown and developed to has a variety of colors such as purple, red, or green. The sweet and legit taste of Jejabandu is very distinctive and different from other traditional snacks. The visual of the Jejabandu seems simple, but it adds the value that displays the uniqueness of Balinese culture. Jejabandu emerged in the midst of West Balinese society historically from the need of variety of cakes as a form of offering during religious ceremonies. Jejabandu is made and processed using natural ingredients that has arts and meaning, and it is trusted by the community as a symbol to seek peace in the prayers. Jejabandu is a mandatory treat for the locals that can usually be found at ceremonies, celebration, or weddings. That concludes everything about this video, and I really hope you can learn something new about Indonesian traditional foods, especially Balinese food, Blajak, and Bandu.